Have you ever wondered what Santa does all day before Christmas night? Today, you're about to find out.
Hello, and welcome to the Smart ESL Path Christmas series. I'm Sarah, thanks for joining me today. In this lesson, we'll learn English through the wonderful theme of Christmas.
A Christmas story with 50 Christmas words called A Day in Santa's Life. Listen and see if you can recognize all 50 Christmas words from our latest video. And if you haven't watched our 50 Christmas words lesson yet, don't worry, you can watch it right after this story. So grab your hot chocolate, sit back, and let's begin our Christmas adventure.
Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
It's early morning at the North Pole. The sky is dark, the air is cold, and soft snowflakes fall from the sky. In the quiet, icy morning of the North Pole, Santa wakes up in his cozy room. He stretches, yawns.
A beautiful morning. A beautiful morning.
And looks at his Christmas tree, shining with beautiful lights and colorful ornaments. Then Santa steps outside to greet the day. Wrapped in his thick, fur-lined coat, he lifts his face toward the bright sky. Soft snowflakes cling to his hat, and his eyes sparkle with the same joy he brings to children around the world. Behind him stretch endless snowy mountains and frozen fields glowing under the soft light, peaceful, untouched, and magical. He says,
Good morning, Christmas. Let's make this day merry and bright.
It's the beginning of another busy day, but for a moment, Santa simply smiles, enjoying the beauty of his home, before returning to the workshop to check on the elves and prepare for Christmas. He drinks a warm cup of hot chocolate, puts on his red coat, and walks to the workshop. Inside the workshop, the elves are very busy. They are making toys, writing cards, and wrapping gifts with wrapping paper, ribbons, and gift boxes. Santa walks in and says,
Ho, ho, ho! How are my little helpers today?
The elves cheer.
We're great, Santa! We're full of Christmas spirit!
Santa checks the bag of gifts and the big list of children around the world. He smiles. So many wishes, so much joy.
Outside the workshop, the reindeer are waiting. Snow falls on their noses, and they shake it off. Santa pats Rudolph gently and says,
Ready for the big night?
Rudolph nods, and his red nose shines like a star. The elves decorate Santa's sleigh with garlands and candy canes, and it looks magical. Before leaving, Santa goes to the living room, where Mrs. Claus has baked fresh cookies and gingerbread. Santa picks up a warm cookie from the plate, takes a small bite, and his eyes sparkle with joy. He eats one cookie and says,
That tastes like Christmas cheer.
Mrs. Claus brushes the snow off Santa's coat and says,
Be safe, dear. The world needs your Christmas magic.
Santa smiles, gives her one last loving hug, and steps outside into the crisp winter air. The sleigh bells jingle softly, a signal that it's time. Finally, Santa comes and sits on the sleigh. Then he shouts,
Up, up, and away!
The reindeer run, the snow flies, and the sleigh takes off into the sky. They fly over houses decorated with bright lights, wreaths on the doors, and Christmas trees outside. Soft snow covers the rooftops, making the whole town look peaceful and festive. Santa slowly goes down each chimney, leaves a present or surprise.
Have a Merry Christmas.
He sees happy families, warm holiday dinners, and children sleeping with dreams full of hope. After leaving presents under the Christmas trees for the kid, Santa returns to the North Pole. He is tired but happy. He sits by the fireplace, sips warm milk, and smiles.
Another wonderful Christmas. So many smiles. So much joy.
Mrs. Claus sits beside him and replies,
You made the world happy again.
That's my job. The snowy cottage rests in silence, shining gently with the last sparkle of Christmas magic.
Share your thoughts in the comments and explore more videos on Smart ESL Path.